Time easier for the goalkeepers to read the flight of that ball in those situations and get out to it. No real whip or pace on that. Intelligent ball that he had played in behind for Faris Ramli just before that. Encouraging start for Singapore.
You think there's just a bit more bite about them now?
Yeah, they're lacking a little bit of intensity in their first half.
Here's Pratama for Indonesia. Slips it to Irfan. Hanumantan's covered that, but still a loose ball. Irfan's shot is blocked by Irfan. It's Irfan Jaya to Irfan Fandi. Turn there, isn't it? Such a threat, isn't he? Asnawi plays his football in Korea. The same club actually as this man's younger son, Shin Tae-yong's son. It's a video that's just come out. Actually an old video of Shin Tae-yong discussing his move to Indonesia with the Korean superstar Son Heung-min of Tottenham Hotspur there at the stadium in London. Talking about that move in November 2019, he was considering it, and Son Heung-min was encouraging him to go. Shin Tae-yong laughing about it, saying he needs to get pocket money for his son. Here is Iksan Fandi. Again, Alka Baggett, the task to keep close to him. He's done well here, Iksan, and he'll get the corner. Seeing more of the ball, isn't he, Roshan?
Yeah, but he's having to come out to this right-hand side quite a bit, Iksan, to get himself involved in the game. Not exactly where you want him in the area, but he's trying to make something happen for the Singapore side. Good energy, lots of pace, nice strength as well to hold off Baggett. He knows he's in a proper battle every time he's come up against Iksan. So far they've been, he's been able to match him stride for stride.
Oh, that's a header, 3-1 for Iksan. High and wide though.
Yeah, again, they're able to win the first ball in these set-piece situations. That's where they are really threatening. The quality of delivery that comes in, and they're both difficult angle for him to perhaps just readjust his body as he tries to flick this one on.
It's got more touches in this first few minutes of the second half than it did in the entire first half.
Well, I said Singapore had to improve on their passing percentages in terms of their the accuracy. It was 61% in the first half. It's already gone up 3% in the second.
Baby steps?
Baby steps, yep.
2 players down for Singapore.
Nazrul doing well, getting ahead of Irfan Jaya, and then Anu's colliding Anu's knee with Nazrul's head. Nazrul looks okay. It's Anu who's getting treatment now.
Yeah, hopefully be able to run that off. Play continues here now. Alfreanda Devanga stepping out more and more, isn't he? Rahmat Irianto.
An extra body in midfield, as I said, his versatility allows him to do that.
Got it on by Pratama to Irfan. Two Irfans keeping a close eye on each other. There's a big bunch of Singapore fans there right behind Nazrul Nazari. And I hope their team on their support. Wyatt's trying to twist and turn his way in the box, but it's now out to Singapore. Song Wei-oh, he's done well here. Still Song, but tested heavy touch. Hanumantan was looking to release Faris Ramli on the far side.
A bit of a shame there. Bit of a shame, just held on to it for a little bit too long, Song. Forrest was free on that left hand side, and Iksan had run himself into an offside position, so he couldn't receive. That opportunity for diagonal from Anu, getting closed down very quickly.
Safety first for Haris Harun. Young, of course, took Korea to the World Cup in 2018, where they had a memorable result against Germany. Soon after. Here is that big throw coming in. We haven't seen it for a while from Pratama Arhan of Indonesia. Plenty of pace on it. Nice punch out for Hassan Sani. Here's Witan Sulaiman. Still with Witan. Asnawi. Oh, the right idea, wasn't it? To Irfan Jaya.
That was so good. So good. Irfan Jaya with the position that he took up there, a run that he made from outside in. Just have a look. I think he's kept himself. He's done really well to keep himself onside. Have a look at Nazrul here at the bottom of your screen. Keeps him onside.
Completely static, wasn't he?
He doesn't push up with that Singapore defensive line. He's trailing in behind, and Irfan Jaya was almost in behind there. Asnawi with the clever disguised pass into the run of Irfan.
Now Anu Mantan for Singapore. Haris Harun. Faris Ramli. Song Woo-young. Nice interchange of passes. That's a shot well over. The building a little bit more, Rishan.
Well, that was really good from Singapore's perspective. The way they were able to make their way right through the middle of that Indonesian side. Lovely, quick 1 and 2 touch football. Gives and goes. Iksan's asking for it to have been played into him. His run here. Instead, Faris decides to have a shot. They've not had enough of those situations where they've passed it quickly like that. They've had those connections through the middle. Those combination plays for Singapore have been missing.
Irfan has gone down here. Rahmat wasn't too impressed. But I think that's fair enough. That's an elbow into the face of Irfan Fandi. There's Faris Ramli. Sharan Sulaiman looks up for options. Now Anu Mantan. It's too much on that pass, but there is Nazrul Nazari. Irfan looking for his brother Iksan. Foul on Song Woo-young. He became a Singapore citizen just a few months ago. And this tournament, his first competitive matches. Singapore's first naturalised player in a long time. Korean has been here for a decade or so.